Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I have created this dish for somebody who has acid reflux, where oil consumption could be a trigger. And therefore, in this dish, I only use half tablespoon of cooking oil. I use this method called water-based stir-frying. You can take a look at this video for more information. The idea in cooking this dish is using a very small amount of water. By adding only a little bit of water at a time, you can control the temperature of the wok. The water will lower the temperature so that it will not burn the food. However, the temperature is still high enough so the Maillard chemical reactions can take place to generate flavor molecule on the surface of the food ingredients. And it doesn't take that long for cooking the broccoli and the carrots. And next, I add the zucchinis because the zucchinis take a little bit less time to cook. I continue to add a little bit more water to control the temperature of the wok. The goal is that not to have the food ingredient get burned. Next, I create some space in the middle of the wok. I'm going to add about half tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm going to stir fry the chicken in this amount of oil. I have seasoned the chicken with mushroom seasonings, cumin, and ginger powder. Even though there's a very small amount of cooking oil, but this will give the chicken a distinct flavor, making them taste less lightly as they have been boiled in water. I try to turn the chicken over so that I can stir fry most of it. Because there's not enough oil, you notice that some of the chicken got stuck to the bottom of the wok. I use the wok spatula as a scraper to remove anything that might have stuck. And now I'm going to move back to the water-based stir frying by adding some water. And the water does a really nice job in dissolving whatever that might have stuck. I then add more water to continue to cook all the ingredients in the wok. I keep an eye on the chicken, make sure that they are cooked. I add more water as it seems to be necessary. I add the portobello mushroom toward the end because I do not want to overcook them. I continue to add more water, make sure there's enough water in the wok. And this will allow me to make sure that the portobello mushroom is properly cooked. And there's enough water in the wok now and the contents are being steamed. And next, I'm going to season the dish with a combination of oyster sauce and followed by hoisin sauce. And this will give the dish a light teriyaki flavor. And my friend would like to have a little bit oil in the dish. So in here, I have a combination of water-based stir frying together with oil-based stir frying. This hybrid approach also will create better flavor for the dish. I have created a cornstarch suspension to create a light sauce for the dish. The sauce will provide better flavor for the dish. I would like the sauce a little bit thicker, so I add a little bit more cornstarch suspension. I then turn off the heat. By this time, the dish is almost ready. Finally, I add the colored pepper, and all I need to do now is mix everything up. And the dish is ready to serve. The total cook time of this dish is a little bit over 6 minutes. This dish has great nutritional values. In addition to the chicken, it has 7 different ingredients. The vegetable create a beautiful dish. The color is not only pleasing to the eyes, but it's also a good indication of their nutritional values. All of this is possible because of advanced prepping, which is a central component of my fast cooking system. FAST is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. With template-based cooking, my friend is free to make any changes to this dish. This is what the wok looks like after cooking this dish, so that makes cleaning it very simple. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.